So, you want to sell online? Smart move, e-commerce is booming, and you're probably wondering which platform should I use. I've seen them all. I've built businesses on many of them. But today we're talking about Shopify. Why? Because Shopify makes selling online simple. It's powerful. It's designed for growth. Whether you're a complete beginner or a seasoned seller, Shopify has your back. It takes the headache out of tech stuff, so you can focus on what you do best, building your brand and selling your products. Trust me on this one, Shopify is more than just a platform, it's a complete e-commerce solution. Think of it as your all-in-one command center for online retail. You get a website, you get a blog, you get payment processing, you get shipping tools, you get marketing tools, all integrated, all working together smoothly. Back in the day, setting up an online store was a nightmare. You needed developers, you needed designers, it cost a fortune. Shopify changed all that, it democratized e-commerce. Now anyone with a great idea can start selling. Why am I such a big fan of Shopify? Because it works. I've seen countless entrepreneurs go from zero to hero using this platform. It's incredibly user-friendly. You don't need to know how to code. Seriously, if you can use Facebook, you can build a Shopify store. The dashboard is intuitive. Everything is clearly laid out. Plus, the Shopify App Store is a goldmine. Thousands of apps to add extra functionality to your store. Whatever you need, there's probably an app for it. This flexibility is a game changer. The bottom line, if you're serious about e-commerce, Shopify should be at the top of your list. It's built to scale. You can start small, one product, a handful of customers. Then, as your business grows, Shopify grows with you. It can handle massive traffic. It can manage thousands of orders. Big brands use Shopify. Small startups use Shopify. That tells you something, right? It's reliable, it's secure, and most importantly, it helps you make sales. So let's dive in and get your store up and running. Your e-commerce journey starts now. Ready to build your online empire? Your Shopify journey begins with a few simple clicks. First, head over to Shopify's website. Look for the free trial button. They usually offer a 3-day or 14-day trial, no credit card needed up front. This is your chance to explore the platform. Play around with the features, see if it's a good fit for you. Don't overthink it, just sign up. Enter your email address, create a password, and pick a store name. This store name will be part of your temporary Shopify domain like yourstorename.myshopify.com. Your store name is important, it's part of your brand. Try to choose something catchy, something memorable, something that reflects what you sell. If your first choice is taken for the myshopify.com address, don't sweat it too much. You can, and should, buy a custom domain later, like yourstorename.com. This looks way more professional. Once you've picked a name and answered a few basic questions about your business, you're in. Welcome to your Shopify dashboard. It might look a bit overwhelming at first, but we'll break it down. The Shopify dashboard is your control panel. This is where the magic happens. You'll see options for orders, products, customers, analytics, marketing, and discounts. Take some time to click around. Familiarize yourself with the layout. Shopify has excellent guides and tutorials too. Use them. On the left-hand side, you'll see a navigation menu. This is your main tool for managing your store. The home screen gives you a checklist of things to do, like adding your first product, customizing your theme, setting up payments. Follow these steps. Before you get too deep into products and design, let's nail some basic settings. At the bottom left of your dashboard, click on Settings. This is crucial. Here, you'll set up your store details. Business name, address, contact information. Make sure this is accurate, then configure your store currency. What currency will you sell in? USD, EUR, AUD, set your time zone correctly. This impacts your reporting and order management. Double-check your legal information too, things like refund policies, privacy policies, and terms of service. Shopify provides templates you can adapt. Get these basics right from day one. Your store's design is your digital storefront. First impressions matter a lot. If your store looks unprofessional or is hard to navigate, visitors will leave fast. You don't want that. You want them to stay, you want them to browse, you want them to buy. So, good design isn't just about looking pretty, it's about building trust. It's about creating a smooth user experience. It's about guiding your customers towards making a purchase. Think of your favorite online stores. What do they have in common? They are usually clean, clear, and easy to use. Shopify makes store design accessible. You don't need to be a web design guru, it all starts with choosing a theme. A theme is a template that controls the look and feel of your store. Shopify has its own theme store. You'll find both free and paid themes. The free themes are great for starting out. They are well designed and fully supported by Shopify. Debut, for example, is a popular free choice. Paid themes offer more features and customization options. They can cost anywhere from $100 to $350. Consider your budget, but also consider the features you need. Look for themes that match your brand style. Once you've picked a theme, it's time to customize it. This is where you make the store truly yours. Go to Online Store and then Themes in your Shopify dashboard. Click Customize on your active theme. You can upload your logo, change the colors to match your brand palette. Select fonts that are easy to read and reflect your brand's personality. You can rearrange sections on your homepage, add image banners, feature product collections, showcase testimonials, play around with the settings. Most themes offer a lot of flexibility without needing to touch any code. Your goal is a unique, professional-looking store. Don't forget mobile users. More and more people shop on their phones. Your store must look great and work perfectly on all devices: desktops, tablets, and smartphones. Luckily, most Shopify themes are responsive. This means they automatically adjust to different screen sizes, but always test it yourself. Use the mobile preview option in the theme customizer. Navigate your store on your own phone. Is the text readable? Are the buttons easy to tap? Is the checkout process smooth on mobile? A poor mobile experience will cost you sales. Focus on clear navigation, fast loading speeds, and a simple checkout. Your products are the heart of your e-commerce business. No products, no sales. Simple as that. Adding products to your Shopify store is straightforward. From your dashboard, go to Products and click Add Product. You'll see fields for the product title, description, images, pricing, and inventory. Be thorough here. Your product page is your sales pitch. It needs to convince customers that your product is what they need. Start with a clear descriptive title. What is the product? What are its key benefits? Use keywords that your customers might search for. Next up, product descriptions. This is where you sell. Don't just list features. Explain the benefits. How will this product make your customer's life better? Use persuasive language. Tell a story. Address potential pain points. Break up text with bullet points and headings for readability. And don't forget search engine optimization. Weave relevant keywords naturally into your descriptions. High-quality product images are non-negotiable. Use clear, well-lit photos from multiple angles. Show your product in use if possible. Videos can be even more powerful. Invest time and effort into your product presentation. It pays off. Pricing your products correctly is crucial for profitability. You need to cover your costs. Costs of goods sold, shipping, marketing, Shopify fees, and then you need to make a profit. Research your competitors. What are they charging for similar products? You don't necessarily have to be the cheapest. You can compete on quality, brand, or customer service. Shopify allows you to set a price and to compare at price to show discounts. You can also add product variants. Think different sizes, colors, or materials for the same product. Each variant can have its own price, SKU, and inventory level. Organize products into collections to make browsing easier for customers. Managing your inventory effectively prevents headaches later. Shopify helps you track your stock levels. When adding a product, you can specify the quantity available. As items sell, Shopify automatically updates the count. This helps you avoid overselling, which means no unhappy customers. You can set up low stock alerts, so you know when it's time to reorder. If you're using a dropshipping model, inventory management is different. Your supplier handles it, but you still need to ensure product availability is synced. Accurate inventory management is key to smooth operations and customer satisfaction. Don't overlook this. Section 5. Getting paid and delivering goods, navigating payments and shipping. You've got a great store, you've added amazing products. Now, let's talk about getting paid and getting those products to your customers. These are critical steps. Shopify makes payment setup pretty easy. The primary option is Shopify Payments. If it's available in your country, I highly recommend using it. It integrates seamlessly. It allows you to accept major credit cards directly. No need for a third-party merchant account. It simplifies your life. Transaction fees for Shopify Payments are competitive and often lower if you're on a higher Shopify plan. Besides Shopify Payments, you can also activate other payment gateways. PayPal is a popular one. Many customers prefer using PayPal, it adds trust. You can also offer options like Apple Pay or Google Pay. These express checkout methods can boost conversions, especially on mobile. The more convenient you make it for customers to pay, the better. Setting these up usually involves creating an account with the provider, then connecting it to your Shopify store through the payments section in your settings. Review the transaction fees for each gateway and factor these into your pricing. Shipping can make or break your e-commerce business. Customers expect fast, affordable, and reliable shipping. Your shipping strategy needs careful thought. First, define your shipping zones. Where will you ship to? Your own country? Internationally? Shopify lets you set up different shipping rates for different zones. You can offer several shipping methods. Flat rate shipping is simple. You charge a fixed fee per order or per item. Free shipping is a powerful incentive. You can offer it on all orders or on orders over a certain amount. Calculated shipping rates are provided by carriers like USPS, FedEx, or Canada Post in real time based on package weight and destination. Once an order comes in, it's time for fulfillment. This is the process of picking, packing, and shipping the product. You need an efficient system, even if you're starting small from your garage. Print packing slips and shipping labels. Shopify Shipping can help you get discounted rates with certain carriers and print labels directly from your dashboard. Update the order status. Send tracking information to your customer. Communication is key here. Keep your customers informed about their order's progress. If you're using dropshipping or a third-party logistics service, they handle fulfillment. But you still need to manage the process and ensure your customers are happy. Section 6, shouting from the rooftops, marketing your Shopify store. You've built a beautiful Shopify store. Your products are fantastic, payments and shipping are sorted. But if nobody knows your store exists, you won't make any sales. It's like opening a shop on a deserted island. Marketing is how you get people to your island. It's not optional, it's essential. For many new store owners, marketing is the most challenging part. But don't worry, you don't need a massive budget to start. You need a plan and consistent effort. There are many ways to market your online store. Let's look at the main channels. Search engine optimization, or SEO, helps people find your store on Google. Content marketing like blogging builds authority and attracts visitors. Social media marketing connects you with potential customers on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Email marketing is powerful for nurturing leads and retaining customers. Paid advertising like Google Ads or Facebook ads can drive targeted traffic quickly, but it costs money. Don't try to do everything at once, especially when you're starting. Pick one or two channels that make sense for your business and your audience. Master those first. You need a basic marketing plan. Who is your target audience? Where do they hang out online? What are their pain points? How can your products help them? Answering these questions will guide your marketing efforts. Set realistic goals. Maybe your first goal is to get 100 visitors a day, or make your first 10 sales. Track your progress. See what's working and what's not. Be prepared to experiment. Marketing is all about testing and learning. What works for one store might not work for another. Your unique brand and audience will dictate your best strategies. Shopify has some built-in tools to help you. You can create discount codes and gift cards. It integrates with Google Analytics for tracking your website traffic. The Shopify App Store has tons of marketing apps. Apps for email marketing, apps for social media integration, apps for SEO optimization, apps for running contests. Explore these. Many offer free plans or trials. Remember, marketing isn't a one-time task, it's an ongoing process. You need to consistently promote your store, stay visible, engage with your audience, build a community around your brand. That's how you drive sustainable traffic and sales. Section 7. Fueling your traffic engine, SEO and social media strategies. Let's dive deeper into two powerful marketing engines, SEO and social media. SEO, or search engine optimization, is about making your store visible in search engine results like Google. When someone searches for products you sell, you want your store to show up high up. This is free, organic traffic, and it's highly valuable. Good SEO starts with keywords. What terms are your potential customers typing into Google? Use keyword research tools, some are free, to find these. Then, use these keywords naturally in your product titles, descriptions, page titles, and image alt text. Shopify handles some technical SEO aspects for you, like generating a sitemap, but you need to do your part. Ensure your site structure is logical, easy for both users and search engines to navigate. Create high-quality original content. Your product description should be unique. Consider starting a blog on your Shopify store. Write articles related to your products or your niche. This attracts search traffic and positions you as an expert. Build backlinks to your store. These are links from other websites to yours. They act as votes of confidence for search engines. This takes time and effort, but the long-term benefits of SEO are huge. Social media is another fantastic way to drive traffic and build your brand. But don't just spray and pray, choose your platforms wisely. Where does your target audience spend their time? Instagram is great for visual products, Facebook is versatile, Pinterest is excellent for lifestyle and DIY niches. TikTok is booming, especially with younger audiences. Create a business profile on your chosen platforms, fill it out completely. Use consistent branding, post regularly, share high-quality images and videos of your products, show behind-the-scenes content, run contests and giveaways, engage with your followers, respond to comments and messages. Don't just sell on social media. Provide value, share useful tips, entertain your audience, build a community. Social media ads can also be very effective. Platforms like Facebook and Instagram have powerful targeting options. You can reach very specific demographics and interests. Start with a small budget, test different ad creatives and audiences, track your results, see what converts. Many Shopify stores have found massive success through smart social media marketing. It's a direct line to your customers. Use it well. Combine your SEO efforts with your social media strategy for maximum impact. Section 8. Learning from the pros inspiring Shopify success stories. Sometimes the best way to learn is by looking at those who've already succeeded. There are thousands of successful Shopify stores out there, from tiny niche businesses to global brands. Let's talk about what makes them tick. One common thread: a clear niche. They're not trying to sell everything to everyone. They focus on a specific product category or a specific target audience. Think about a store selling custom pet portraits, or a brand focused solely on eco-friendly yoga mats. This focus helps them stand out. It makes their marketing more targeted and effective. Another key ingredient is strong branding. Successful Shopify stores have a memorable brand identity. This includes their logo, color scheme, website design, and tone of voice. But it's more than just visuals. It's the story they tell, the values they represent, the connection they build with their customers. Consider a brand like Allbirds, which started on Shopify. They built a powerful brand around sustainability and comfort. Their branding is consistent across their website, products, and marketing. This creates recognition and trust. People buy into the brand, not just the product. Exceptional customer service is another hallmark of top Shopify stores. They go the extra mile to make their customers happy. They respond quickly to inquiries, they handle issues professionally, they offer hassle-free returns. Positive customer experiences lead to repeat business and word-of-mouth referrals, which is the best kind of marketing. Think about how you can delight your customers. Maybe it's a handwritten thank you note in each order, or a small surprise gift. These little touches make a big difference. They foster loyalty. Finally, successful Shopify stores are masters of marketing. They understand their audience. They use a mix of channels to reach them. Whether it's clever social media campaigns, engaging content, or smart SEO, they are not afraid to experiment. They track their results and adapt their strategies. A great example is Gymshark. They leveraged influencer marketing on social media to build a massive fitness apparel brand. They understood where their audience was and how to connect with them authentically. The takeaway here is to find your niche, build a strong brand, prioritize your customers, and be relentless with your marketing. Persistence pays off. Section 9. Beyond launch, scaling, and sustaining your Shopify empire. Launching your Shopify store is a huge milestone. Congratulations. But it's just the beginning. The real work starts now. Sustaining and scaling your e-commerce business requires ongoing effort and smart strategies. First, you need to keep a close eye on your store's performance. Shopify provides excellent analytics. Track your key metrics: website traffic, conversion rates, average order value, customer acquisition cost. These numbers tell you what's working and what's not. Use this data to make informed decisions. Don't guess, know your numbers. Customer retention is often cheaper than acquiring new customers. Focus on building long-term relationships. Email marketing is fantastic for this. Send regular newsletters with updates, promotions, and valuable content. Implement a loyalty program to reward repeat customers. Offer exclusive discounts or early access to new products. Provide outstanding post-purchase support. Happy customers are more likely to buy from you again, and they're more likely to recommend you to others. Turn your customers into advocates for your brand. This is a powerful growth lever. As your business grows, you'll need to think about scaling your operations. Can your current systems handle more orders, more traffic, more customers? This might mean upgrading your Shopify plan for more features and lower transaction fees. It might mean exploring new Shopify apps to automate tasks or improve efficiency. Consider expanding your product line. Listen to your customers. What else are they looking for? Are there complementary products you could offer? Diversifying your offerings can increase your average order value and attract new customer segments. But do it strategically. Don't lose focus on your core niche. Finally, always keep learning. The e-commerce landscape is constantly evolving. New trends emerge, new marketing strategies appear, new technologies become available. Stay curious, read industry blogs, join online communities, attend webinars. Never stop looking for ways to improve your store, your products, and your customer experience. Scaling a business is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be challenges, there will be setbacks, but with a clear vision, consistent effort, and a willingness to adapt, you can build a thriving, sustainable Shopify empire. Your journey is just beginning. Keep hustling.